I will talk about how can you disable show reposts on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on follow and feed preferences, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to show reports. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's me show reports disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.